my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and our video series is designed to educate our viewing audience. Today we're going to talk about something really important as it relates to family law, which is domestic violence. Please subscribe to our channel. What happens in a domestic violence case if the accuser recants? We see this all the time. Sometimes it's an outward recanting of the allegations, where the person who says, she hit me, later on says, you know what, she didn't really hit me, I exaggerated, I misspoke, that's not what happened. Sometimes it happens like that, or sometimes they don't recant, but they just won't participate in court proceedings. They won't show up. They won't help the prosecutor. They won't, do anything that's necessary to move the case forward. Well, I will tell you this. In cases where there's either a passive or an active recanting of the allegations, most of the time that criminal case against that defendant for domestic violence, most of the time that case will end up being dismissed. But you got to understand one thing. That's from the perpetrator's perspective. But from the victim's perspective, you have to understand, if you go before the court and you say under oath, I made the false police report, it was a lie, it's not what happened, you may well be prosecuted for filing a false police report, or if they don't believe what you said on the stand, for perhaps perjury, but you are at risk if you do that. So if you've caused a domestic violence case to set in motion and now you can't stop it and you really don't want it to go forward, it's not a good idea to walk into the prosecutor's office and say, I'm recanting. This is definitely a terrible idea to get on the stand and lie. You can't do that. What happens if you just don't show up? If you just don't show up, they'll try to get a hold of you. They may even send a squad car to your house to escort you to the courthouse. But if they don't catch you and you just don't show up, at least you haven't lied. You haven't said, I wrote a false police report, and the result will be the same. The court will likely grant the defendant's motion to dismiss for the absence of the accusing witness, because everybody has the constitutional right to examine their accuser, to cross-examine their accuser, and you know what? There's no accusing witness here. There's no victim. So if you don't care about this domestic violence against you, don't expect the court or the prosecutor to care about it. That case will probably be dismissed. If you have any questions about your particular case, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.